How to connect Lutron 1234 shade connector. So you got this power supply and this connector. Yes, Lutron are stupid and didn't note anywhere what represent 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here it is. The connection goes this way. So the 1 is the COM, 2 is the 35 volt or any voltage plus, 3 is MUX, and 4 is the MUX with the line over. I do not know what MUX is for. I never use it on any of my installation. So in my case, I only use 1 and 2. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. Don't forget to subscribe. What you see back there, it's from my main channel. Please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!